Yes. We came up with this because I like to tackle things that people don't like to talk about, things we don't like to accept as society. And that is looking at a man as a strong person. If you ever reveal your emotions, then you're weak, which is really wrong. So as per the guidelines we've been given, um, the format, we have it because we use the right anyway. Um, the strong high concept narrative, yes. Our story we are really basing on domestic violence, narrowing it down to specifically rape, emotional abuse, and physical. Then the setting we are really looking at like a lower middle class there. Sibabu, Tibabu, yeah? Yeah. Then